Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 14th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So, on the daily time frame, I still think this is a regular flat, mostly because the wave B turned at the 90%, and that is a perfect turn for a wave B in a regular flat. So, if it is a regular flat, I would be targeting most likely either the 90% Fibonacci extension of wave A or the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A. So either way, it looks like we still potentially have a little bit more downside. If we get a nice break of structure to the upside at one of these key levels, we'll know that the wave C is over, and we'll know that we're most likely back into the weekly and monthly time frame uptrend. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, unfortunately, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now. There was a really nice short yesterday, and there was a very nice short pre-London session this morning at the end of these one, two, three-way pullbacks and one, two, three-way pullbacks. Right now, unfortunately, the strategy is to either already be short, waiting for an exit, or the strategy is to be waiting patiently for another pullback, another Fibonacci bounce, and another entry to go short. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.